guys, me Atlas, and today we are unboxing Disney Domez. I'm a huge fan of Disney. I even went there 2 years ago. I had so much fun. So I bought 3 packs. There's 9 to collect. So there's Donald Duck, there's Goofy, there's Mickey Mouse, there's Minnie Mouse, there's Pinocchio, there's Pluto, there's Tigger, Winnie the Pooh, and Chase character. It's very rare. So I want Mickey Mouse, I want Pinocchio, and I want the Chase character. That's very rare. So here we go. I hope it's Mickey Mouse this time. Ooh. Disney Dome in black. Oh. I got Mickey Mouse! That's what I wanted right away. Whoa, it's like a magic spell. Get what I mean by that? I just got Mickey Mouse who I wanted, right? So here we have the second one. The Disney Dome. It's back in here. Try to slide them carefully this time. Not just push them out because they're collectibles, right? Oh, I got Donald Duck. Cool. He's like matching. It's gonna be matching to them. Ooh, sweet. That's good I got Donald Duck. And this is the last one. Here we go. This has to be the Chase character. Oh. This must be the Chase character. Or it might be Minnie Mouse. Who knows? Oh. Here we go. So slide these out. Or stuff down there. So here we go. So we're gonna have a double! Woohoo! At least I got 2 doubles of Mickey. That's good. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. See you later. Bye.